by Rigamajig Junior. It comes in a box like this. Ta-da! There are handles on the sides for two people for collaborative carrying. The shoulder strap, how handy. Going to the park, going to the yard, going to the closet from the living room. And then inside are all of the wonderful parts and pieces of Rigamajig Junior. Is it a wing? Is it a cloud? Is it a mountain? Is it a hilltop? The scale, it enchants me. It's a circle. We no longer call this a wheel because that would be too limiting. So it's just a circle with some holes. That way it can also be a cookie. And lots of hardware, of course. Brackets. Wouldn't come always like this. We may have pre-messed this one up. Nuts and bolts. Long bolts. This is an axle. So if you put this one like so, that's a propeller. And then you screw onto the back, because it has this part that isn't threaded, the nut will lock it on and it will spin freely without unscrewing the nut. That's Rigamajig Junior. Get yours now. Holiday. Just in time for holidays.